136 minus 66 equals to 70x minus 66x. Okay, so this is what 4x. 4x, write it as it is. Sure, it's like this. You need not write everything on right hand side, so right hand side only. If you exchange both the positions, then also the equation remains the same. Okay, otherwise you will think this 4x was here, why it went here. So if you exchange both the positions, then it's okay. If you exchange only one position, then the sign changes, right? So 4x equals to 136 minus 66, that is 70. So x equals to 70 upon 4, right? This 4 comes down. Solve this, it is 35 upon 2, that is the answer. But what is x? X equals to length. But what is given as length? The length is 35. And what have we got? 35 upon 2. That's why the answer is false. If the length is false, definitely breadth would be false. No need of solving the breadth. And the answer is false over here. Next, the sum of two numbers is 2490. If 6.5% of one number is equal to 8.5% of the other number, then one of the numbers will be 1411. It means two numbers are given, their total is 2490 and one condition is given for each number. Okay, we have to find both the numbers. Let the two numbers be n1 and n2. Okay, so n1 plus n2 equals to 2490. So let's say x, we need not take x always, but what happens is we are used to writing x and y. That's why I am taking this x. Let one of the number be x. So if one of the numbers is x, so n2 will be what? 2490 minus x, right? Now what is given? 6.5% of one number. So 6.5% of x equals to 6.5 upon 100. Percent means upon 100 into x. That is one number. That is one condition. And 8.5% of the other number. So 8.5% of the other means 2490 minus x. So 8.5 upon 100 into 2490 minus x. Now what is given? These two conditions are equal, right? So equate them. 6.5x upon 100 equals to 8.5 upon 100 into 2490 minus x. 100 same on both sides, it gets cancelled. So what remains? 6.5x equals to, solve this, 8.5 into 2490 minus 8.5 into x, right? So take 8.5 on this side, left hand side. So 6.5 plus 8.5x, right? 6.5x plus 8.5x, and this as it is 8.5 into 2490. So next is what? 6.5 plus 8.5 is 15, right? 15x equals to 8.5 into 2490. See, you can solve this also, find the answer, but not needed because it will get cancelled afterwards. So 15x equals to 8.5 into 2490. Okay, now we want x, so take 15 on this side. So x equals to 8.5 into 2490 upon 15. Now what gets cancelled by 15? 85 is not there because 15 5 is 15 5 is 75 and 15 6 is 90. So 8.5 doesn't get cancelled. Check this. 15 1s are and 6 is 90, then 9 remains, again 6 is 90. This gets cancelled. So 15 into 166. So x equals to 8.5 into 166. Multiply this, you will get 1411. That is the given answer. Say this, one of the number is 1411. So that is required. And other number will be what? 2490 minus 1411. That is 1079. But that's not required. What's required is only 1411. So the answer is true. Okay. So download YuvaGuru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, I would suggest learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30, cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for that. Seeing behind those videos on a daily basis for 3 months and you will learn them by heart. That is required throughout your life. Do it with discipline. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.